how to send payment requests from Payoneer to receive payments from your international clients around the world. So let's get started. Here you can see get paid. Click it here. Click on request a payment. Here you need to add a new payer. Click it here. Then click on individual. Here I am writing his first name, Collins. Here we need to write an email of your prospect, the one you are receiving payment from. After that we need to select a country, United States of America. Then select a state and then click on next. Here we need to write the amount which you want to receive from your client. 100. Here you can select the currency, payment of Shopify website. Here we need to select due date. Click on OK. Requesting payment as if you have a company, you can select the company name. If you are individual, you can select your name and then click on next. Here you can add a professional invoice as well. This is optional. After that, click on request payment. Now the payment request has sent to Richard Collins. Here you can share your payment request link on WhatsApp, email, and then click on send. Now when client receive this link, client can click it. Here you can see you have a new payment request from Abdul Bais. Now the client can pay by entering an email and then click on continue to pay. Now after filling these details, client can pay your amount by clicking it here. Once the payment request is created, click on get paid and then payment request sent. Here you can see all the payment requests. Here you can see the status, payment request pending. Click it here. Here you can see the update. You can also send a reminder as well. If the client has changed its decision or you want to send another payment request, you can simply click on cancel request. Once the client has completed the payment, you will receive this email. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.